Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. All right. Of course, Marcus the Magnificent will say the higher author or whatever. So, I would like to say welcome to the Domino 7 Facebook Live video, okay? All right. So, anyway, I'm watching Marcus the Magnificent right now, okay? It's his first time appearing on my show, but he not appearing on my show, you know? So some of you never heard of Marcus the Magnificent at all. Okay, I'm washing clothes at a time like this. You know, I just finished washing my white clothes. I don't want put my laundry on my show. You know, I don't want y'all looking at whatever to look at. You know, so all right. So, I mean, hopefully my cousin Ricky and his mama will come over Saturday because I need them to come over so we could chill, you know, hang out and have some beans and chicken, you know. So, yep, my twin brother Brock is in the shower right now, you know. So, how's everything with y'all? Everything's fine with me. All right, so. I kind of wonder when my wonderful friend Erica gonna come over here. Nobody knows. Okay. Well, I don't know why I'm doing this, but I might as well do this. Look at me in the mirror. Hi. Yeah. Okay. And this poster right here. Y'all see this poster? Want Game Frenzy? We've got it. There's Donkey Kong baseball, Stanley Cup. That's hockey, all right. And a baseball, Tetris 2, Super Mario World, Super Metroid, Donkey Kong Country, like I said, okay. And over here, okay, look at this. But anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move that poster and put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here, you know. It's blank, okay? It's definitely blank over there, okay? So I moved it over there. I was thinking about putting it under this Nintendo poster. This right here, I was gonna put it under here, you know. Do y'all think I should bring this upstairs or not? No. Well, whatever. Okay. So anyway, it's very good NBC NBC and Facebook, or shall I say NBC and CBS, you know. Yep, a true fan of Cash Money and No Limit, you know. And my old friend Gerald, he he uh uh um he wound up cracking the juvenile G code CD. You know, I'm like, why did you do that? He said F Cash Money and cracked it because somebody said that Cash Money was better than No Limit. I would never say that in my life. You know, because I like Cash Money and No Limit. You know. All right. All right. So anyway, so I was saying, folks. I mean, I'm doing good today. You know, I love this quiet old house. Yes, I love this house. Yes, indeed. God is good all the time. You know what I'm saying? If you're mad at somebody, get over it. Okay, get over it and don't hold no grudge, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't hold no grudge, cause you're blocking your blessing. Okay. All right. So anyway, as I was saying, folks, like they say, you got to. Oh, hello. All right. I'm doing a Facebook Live video. Eventually on YouTube. I'm not gonna put you on there, huh? What'd you say? Well, never mind, whatever it is. But I'm going. Well, I'll let you repeat that when I finish. Okay, that's my neighbor. I don't know if I should mention her name or not. No, Well, not right now. Well, I ain't gonna mention her name right now. So if you can see though, you know, yeah, this a nice area, you know. Okay, cause if you're not from New Orleans, this used to be the project. Well, it still is a project though, but it's a new project, you know. Okay, I'm just saying for some of you people that's not from New Orleans, you know. So if you came and visit New Orleans before Hurricane Katrina, you would know. Okay, so so anyway, ladies and gentlemen, all right. So like they say, when you're holding a grudge, you gotta let it go. Okay, count your blessing. You hold a grudge, you're blocking your blessing. True that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right. So, like they say, God give it and God take it. You know. It's a hard knock life. Yeah, I heard that from Jay Z, and then heard that from Andy music video. All right, I'm gonna talk to you later when I finish my show. All right. Some idiot always driving down a one-way street. I hate when they do that. You know. Well, we not gonna show. I could have. Y'all like these curds? Yes, indeed. I know my auntie probably my auntie's probably watching this video, so they gonna come see the studio in person. You know, this curtain gonna come down. I don't want this curtain to come down though, but we gonna get some new addition blinds. You know, so truthfully, I do want to keep that curtain up. I really do. Cause that's my mama curtain, you know. Well, all right. So I better just skidoo, okay? All right. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. All right. Peace out.